welcome or welcome back to the channel. I am Nandini and in today's video we are going to discuss about tips, tricks, strategies, mock tests, backlogs and many more. So do watch the video till the end. So now before hopping into video, I want to tell you guys that you have ample of time. JEE Main's first attempt is in about 5 months and 5 months is a really long time. If you study with proper strategy, consistency and dedication, you will really ace your exam. And so now instead of wasting your time of thinking about result, focus on how you can improve your score. According to us, right now there are three category of students. The first category is the of people who are starting from now, who are starting from scratch, who have wasted the 11th and are going to start from now. The second category is the average trackers, who have done average in their 11th and are doing average in their 12th too. The third category is the consistent performers, who have done well in their 11th and are doing well in their 12th too. So now let's start with the first category of students. What students do is start from their 11th again, which is very wrong. What you have to do is go with the flow. Do whatever is taught in your coaching right now very well. Make notes, come home, revise them, solve MCQs, solve at least 50 to 75 MCQs each topic and make them strong, so that you don't have to come back to these topics and study them again and waste your time on it. Now the question in your mind might be when to cover our 11th backlogs. The first thing you have to do is to make priority list. अभी तक आपको पता होगा कि which topics carry more weightage and which topics are the fundamentals. Make priority list based on the weightage of the topics and the fundamental topics. What you have to do is cover the topics which are small and carry more weightage first, like in physics, gravitation, LOM. ऐसे टॉपिक्स को पहले कवर करना है. You have to work smart. And one more thing I want to tell is you don't have to cover 100% syllabus. वो किसी का कवर नहीं होता है, not even toppers. One more thing I want to say is अगर कोई टॉपिक आपको बहुत ज़्यादा लेंदी और टफ लग रहा होगा तो leave it in a side for now and cover topics which are small and carry more weightage right now. अब उस टॉपिक को लेके बैठ के आपको demotivate नहीं होना है and don't waste your time on it. Right now you might be thinking of then how to manage time, how to give time to backlog along with the 12 studies. What you have to do is you have to divide your time into a ratio. It might be 7:3 or 6:4 depending upon your backlogs. Now how to study backlogs? The first thing you have to do is do theory ऊपर से कर लो, make formula sheets, make notes, proper short notes बनाओ and then directly jump upon MCQ solving. Model के about 40 to 50 MCQ solve कर लो and do PYQs. PYQs भी try करो कि you solve of about only past 2 to 3 years for now at least. And then I want to tell you one more important thing कि अगर आपने कोई topic चालू किया है, you have to complete it. Don't leave it again. If you are leaving it right now, then you are repeating the same mistake. Then comes giving test. Henceforth, you are not allowed to miss a single test in your coaching. Go for the test, even if you are not prepared. Don't miss it. Then comes the most important and underrated part, that is doing test analysis. Test analysis is very important. Otherwise, how you will know where are you going wrong, which topics you are weak into, which topic you need to revise frequently, which topics you are forgetting. After doing test analysis, you will come to know what mistakes you are doing. You have to maintain a book and write all the mistakes in that book and make sure that you don't repeat them again. Then go to your faculty, talk to them, share your problems with them, and they will definitely help you out. Now let's talk about average students. The basic strategy for you all is same, but you guys have an opportunity as you know which pathway to follow, so you can build up momentum faster. Now let's talk about the action plan. First thing you have to do is keep pace with your 12th syllabus. You don't have to create any backlogs in your class 12. Now comes doing 11th revision and brushing up the weak topics. You have to revise theory in a quick manner, don't go into depth, and then make formula sheets, most important thing, and directly start solving questions. Solve about 60 to 70 questions of each topic and then you are done revising the topic. Now one more thing you have to do here is to ask doubt. Clear each and every small doubt about that topic with your faculty. Now comes mock test. You guys also have to follow the same pattern. Give mock test, analyze them, clear your doubts. Now, as you guys have more time than that of the people starting from scratch, one more thing you have to do is to make your weak topic strong. Solve more questions of that topic. Now let's talk about the third category of students who are the consistent performers. The only thing I want to tell you guys is that just keep on doing whatever you are doing, and don't get overconfident at any point of the time, because overconfidence is the only thing that can pull you down, and you know what I mean. At the end, I want to say that you guys have 5 months. Give your 100%, set daily goals, increase your self study time based on your grasping power, do revision daily, do solve MCQs on daily basis, clear out your backlogs, and complete the goal no matter whatever happens. Now, one last message. I know right now you guys have a lot of stress and pressure, but this doesn't mean that it is the end of your life. Keep studying, keep working hard, and result will come definitely one day. Till then, keep working hard, keep studying, and do like, share, and subscribe to the channel.